Next one, we will move on to double dimensional array. Okay. And in this case, double dimension in the sense we have rows as well as columns. That means if zeroth row we have, and totally I want to create an array which is of 2 dimension, okay, of 3 rows and 2 columns. If it is 3 rows and 2 columns, then the row number index will start from 0, 1, 2, because 3 rows, right? So these are the rows. 2 columns in the sense 0 and 1. So you can think this like a matrix. Okay. If I want to insert any value, now I should insert at 0th row. Anything that is horizontal is row, anything that is vertical is column, 0th row, 0th column. Here it is 0th row, first column. And this will be first row, 0th column. And then this will be first row, first column. This will be second row, 0th column. And second row, first column. Okay. So any element that I want to take, a of 0, 0 means it will come here. A of 1, 1 means it comes here. Okay. Now how do I declare and use it? We can go ahead with int a is equal to new int of 3, 2. Okay. So outer loop will always indicate the row here. I is equal to 0, I less than 3, I plus plus. Okay. And this is for this particular row things. And then the column is also there, right? So we have to mention the columns as well. So here column is for int j is equal to 0. J is less than how much? 2, because 2 columns are there. J plus plus. We are going to ask the user to enter the element. So when we are asking the user to enter the element, probably I'll just copy and paste this part. Enter the element for the index I. Okay. For index ij. And here I have to take I and j. How does it work? OB, I have to make sure that the scanner is defined. Okay. When I run this, usually I will start with 0. 0 is less than 3, which is true. It will come inside. J is equal to 0. 0 is less than 2. It will come inside. That is A of 0, 0 will be first accepted. Next, inner loop will continue again. J will become 1. 1 less than 2 is true. So this I value was always 0 before. So 0, 1 will be done. That means for the first iteration, you did 0, 0. Next iteration, you did 0, 1. Next, when it comes back to uh, the next iteration, that is here, j will become 2. 2 less than 2 is false. So you'll come out and then I will get incremented to 1. 1 is less than 3, which is true. Then j will again start from 0. So 1, 0, 1, 1. It will fill out. When j will become 2, it will come out and then I will be incremented to 2. 2, 0, 2, 1, it will fill and then I will be incremented to 3. 3 less than 3 is false. It will come out of this entire loop. Okay. In the same way, if I want to display, what I'll do is just to give the user an illusion that in the matrix format, elements, when I'm printing, I'm going to print A of ij. Okay. A tab I'm going to give. I'll print here. And imagine we are in the 0th row. 0, 0 is printed, 0, 1 is printed, and then 2 is less than 2 is false. When you come out of the inner loop, I want to put a new line. If you don't put a new line, all the elements will be entered in the same line. So I'll just keep it blank. See what happens when I run this. 0, 0, 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66. So 0, 0, 0, 1, 11, 22, 1, 0, 33, 44. It's here. And then 55, 66. It's here. Okay. What if I wanted to generalize instead of giving 3 and 2 everywhere? I wanted to keep a row and columns, let us say. So what I'll do now? I'll take int r comma c. I'll ask the user to enter the row and column. So what I'll do? Sys out, enter the val of row. Now, this has to be placed before. Okay. Then r is equal to ob dot next int. So you're asking the user to enter the row value. Now, any row he can give, any value for the column he can give. So this is column, this will be C. Okay. Now, instead of 3, wherever 3 is there, you're going to replace it with R because that is the number of rows. Wherever 2 is there, you're going to replace it with C. That's it. Now, if you run this, I want to give 2 rows and 4 columns. Okay. 2 rows means 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3. Because in each row, we have 4 columns. Okay. Then 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3. That's it. So these are your elements. Okay.